Hello and welcome to Katrinas Creations Friday edition. Today is a yarn haul from Knit Picks, but first I wanted to show you something else that I got just recently. You can get this any place, but I bought it online. It is food coloring and it's the gel form, which you could get at any grocery store, but this is what caught my attention. Look at all of the color choices. Usually it's just red, yellow, green, and blue. This one actually has red, black, yellow, blue, green, white, pink, purple, gold, and brown. And if you remember, I have some yarn that I am dyeing for my own yarn advent calendar this next December. So I saw this and I was like, it gives me some more color options because I tend to always have everything show up in shades of bubblegum between the colors or looking like Christmas. So yeah, I'm excited to give this a try and experiment with some other colors. So expect some yarn dyeing videos in the future. Yeah, so we're gonna check this out together and see what's inside. So that'll be a coming up video. So now let's get on to what we all came for, and that is the Knit Picks unboxing. So Knit Picks had a sale recently where it was free shipping. It just seems like lately you spend something on the yarn and almost spend the same amount on the shipping itself. So when I saw free shipping, you know, so I did already open this so I didn't have to try to cut the yarn by accident in front of you and cry. So yeah. This I did have to laugh. Okay, yarn is squishy. It's not fragile. They gave me bubble wrap. I have no idea why. I saw that and was like, you've got to be kidding. It's not like you're gonna break it. So yeah, I bought a bunch of yarn that I am going to be using. You can see some of the color right here that I am going to be using to make some summer tees. So I have 4 of each color that I bought. I bought Brava Sport Weight, which I have bought before, but I got the Brava Stripe. Hi, it's future Katrina, and I decided I actually have some things I've made with some of the Brava Sport Weight before, so I thought I would show you what some of those items are so you can see what they look like when they're knitted up. This is the first one, and this yarn actually is extremely soft. When I feel this part here, that is all done in stockinette. This is so soft, and I have worn this quite a bit this past spring. It was very, very comfortable. So here is the first one. This is what it looks like when it's knitted. In fact, all of them are knitted. I have discovered that if I wear crochet as far as a garment in the summer, it's a little too warm. So this is the one, and I think this color was called Olive. Not positive, I think it was olive though. And then I have this one. I see some ends I need to weave in. This pattern is called the chamisol. I've made it numerous times, and this pattern I absolutely love. It always fits well, and it's very flattering, and again, this yarn is very, very soft. And this has been washed a couple times, and it's holding up really, really well. This was the Brava Stripe. In fact, the next two I'm going to show you the Brava Stripe. I don't remember what this one was. I keep thinking buttercream, not positive, but to me it looks like salted caramel, but it is really, really soft. I'm not noticing any pilling or anything like that from it. And here's the other one that I made, and I don't remember the name of this color either. This is the Flax Light sweater by Tin Can Knits, and it is a free pattern, and it's normally long sleeved, but I made it short sleeved. And this is also very, very comfortable to wear. And here it is close up, so you can see how it looks knitted. And again, I'm not seeing any pilling. I just made these last spring, so I've had them about a year. Yeah, so I don't notice any pilling, any shrinkage. Well, they're acrylic, so they shouldn't shrink, but yeah, they're still staying. They're not feeling like nubby feeling or anything. They're still staying smooth. So yeah, I'm real happy with how this yarn works up. So I'm looking forward to getting to the new ones that I just bought. So now back to the regular video. I think, no, did I have Yeah, I think I have bought the solid color. I think I got it in an olive color last time. But I have bought Brava stripe as well. So Brava yarn, this is a 2 weight. It's a sport weight. It's 100% premium acrylic. And there are, let me see the yardage, 340 yards in 100 grams. So yes, so we have this color. This is, what color did they say this is? Mulberry. So I have 4 of this mulberry. There you can see it. It's a pretty amethyst shade of purple. Very jewel tone-ish. So purple's one of my better colors. Apparently red is too. Look at that, I match. I have 4 of these. Let me get the 4 of the purple out. So I have 4 of this color here, which is wine. Well, that makes sense. Kind of a cranberry color. Like I said, it matches the outfit I'm wearing today. And then the last color, I'm not real happy about. It's brighter than I thought it was. I'm gonna stand out and glow. Yeah, this is, it's called Seashell. I was thinking this was gonna be a softer coral color. It's kind of a peachy coral. So it is a little brighter than I anticipated. I mean, it doesn't look bad on me, but I was thinking it was more of a pastel type of, when I think seashell, I think lighter than this. Maybe the inside of a seashell? I don't know. So this is the only one I'm like, I mean, I'm not upset about it or anything, but it's a little bit brighter in color than what I was anticipating. So I have 4 of that. And that's it. That's what's in the box there. So that is my yarn unboxing. Make sure you stay tuned tomorrow because I have a finished object that I've been working on for a while and I got it finished. So I'm happy about that. So make sure you stay tuned to see what that is tomorrow. And also we are quickly approaching 5,600 subscribers, which means when we get there, we will be doing a yarn giveaway. So if you haven't already, please click that little red subscribe button down below. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye everybody.